Create return labels automatically by connecting your UPS account with Return Prime. Hey! Today, we are going to learn how to connect your UPS account with Return Prime to automatically create return labels. To start, you need to log in to your UPS account. Once you are in, click on the profile icon and go to My Profile. You will find the shipping account number of your UPS account here. Take a note of it so you can enter it on the Return Prime dashboard. Now click on the search icon and search for Developer. From the search result, click on Developer Resource Center and then on the next page click on See Developer Kit. Here you will need to click on View Developer Portal. On this page you will find an option of My Apps on the top right corner, or you can click on Create Application button. You will get an option of Add App, please click on it. Here in first field, please select I want to integrate UPS technology into my business, and in second field, please select your account number. It will take you to the second step, where you will have to fill your contact information. Once done, then click on Next. Now on this page you will have to enter Return Prime as app name and select Address Validation, Tracking and Shipping API. Click on Save button and the first thing you need to do is click on the Settings tab on your Return Prime dashboard, then click on the Logistics option. Find UPS from the list and click on the blue Activate button. Enter the shipping account number, client ID, and client secret, which we just collected from the UPS dashboard, then hit Save and Activate. You are all set. When your customers raise a request, you can approve it using the UPS option available under Logistics Partner, and a label will be sent to the customer instantly. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any kind of questions, issues during the process, feel free to drop an email to us at help@returnprime.com or make use of the live chat option available on your Return Prime dashboard, and we promise to ensure everything is up and running for you instantly.